The German Packaging Act requires that businesses selling products in Germany take responsibility for the waste that their products generate. This law applies to domestic and international sellers that are selling into Germany. If you're a business seller selling into Germany, you need to register with the LUCID database and obtain a LUCID number to comply with the Packaging Act. This number is also known as an EPR number. Since May 2024, eBay has strictly enforced this requirement. This means that listings without a LUCID number associated with the corresponding account may be removed. Therefore, it's essential to register for the number to continue offering your products to buyers in Germany. There are 3 main steps to comply with the Packaging Act. Number 1, license your packaging. This means registering the amount of packaging materials you send to Germany. There are several systems to choose from, but Webinterpret suggests using eBay's partner, LUCID. Keep in mind that your license will need to be renewed annually and that there is a licensing fee. Number 2, register with the LUCID database. You'll need to register your business in the LUCID database to obtain your LUCID number. Number 3, add your LUCID ID number to your eBay seller account, and you're all set. Let's dive into each step in detail. From LUCID's homepage, you can use the packaging volume calculator to calculate how much waste you expect to produce in Germany, or your annual packaging volumes. If you have any trouble with calculating the amount of different packaging materials in kilograms that you use, you can use their calculation assistant, located further down on the same page. Let's say you're a small company that expects to send about 100 pieces of small boxes including tape and synthetic filling material. This calculator helps you determine the amount of plastic and cardboard that you'll be using each year. You can adjust these volumes at any time. On the next page, you'll need to fill out some information about your company. The information that you're providing at this stage is quite basic in nature, like your company name, address, and your VAT ID. If you don't have a VAT ID, which is the case for many sellers from the United States, you can select the German or local tax number option. Here you can insert either your EIN, SSN, SIN, business or individual tax number into this field. As soon as either of these 2 fields are completed, fill in your remaining personal details and accept the data protection regulations to proceed to the next steps, payment and shipping, and check and order. Remember that at any point during the year, you can change the amount you've declared. So, for instance, if it gets changed to a lesser amount than what you previously declared, you would receive a portion of your payment back. Once you've completed your registration on LUCID, you need to create an account with the LUCID database. At the bottom of the page, choose Producers and Launch Registration Process. Add your company details and your contact information. You'll have to propose a password and confirm that you're not a robot. After creating the account, an activation link will be sent to your provided email address. You have 24 hours to click on the activation link and 7 days to complete your account enrollment. Once you've clicked on the link, you can log in again to complete your enrollment. There are 4 sections you'll need to complete: master data, details about the packaging, brand names, and summary. Under master data, complete all of the required fields with your company details. For US sellers or anyone without a VAT number, you'll want to click this prompt under the VAT number/taxpayer reference number section. 2 fields will appear, where you'll be prompted to enter your alternative tax number. Start with the drop-down menu to select the type of tax number you'll be entering. If none of the options apply to you, you can select Other. Then fill in the number in the Other field. Proceed through the next 3 sections of the registration and complete the process by clicking Complete Registration. After a successful registration, you'll receive your LUCID number. Keep this number safe as you'll be adding it to your eBay account details in the next step. Now it's time to submit your LUCID number to eBay. Go to My eBay account. Click Business Information under Personal Information and Privacy. go to Business Details and click Add next to LUCID ID. Enter your LUCID number and click Save. You should receive a confirmation that you have added your LUCID number successfully. Note that your LUCID number is not added to individual listings. Instead, it's linked to your seller account. There are big benefits when you comply with the German Packaging Act. It ensures your listings remain visible to German buyers making purchases from the German market, and you can potentially benefit from decreased competition in the German market, as non-compliant listings are removed. All of the sites that were referenced in this video are linked in the description below.